Hello. Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to create a buffer in IGiS's desktop software. So, let's start. For this video, we will use one raster image and a point theme that have already imported in this view. Now, to create a buffer, go to the Theme tab and click on Geoprocessing Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Create Buffer option. A dialog box will appear. In Input Theme option, provide the respective theme for which buffer has to be generated. Then, provide a name for output theme. Specify number of rings that you want to generate for the buffer. Here, the user has the option to create buffer, either through specified distance or from attribute. We will create a buffer from specified buffer distance option. So, specify your buffer distance. Then, select any of the following buffer methods like inside, outside, both side, outside, and include inside. Then, specify number of vertex. Select Dissolve option if you want to create a buffer to dissolve the ring boundary. Check on the selected objects if you want to create buffer only for the selected input theme. Finally, click on Start button to start buffer creation. Once the process has been successfully completed, click on Add Theme and select your output theme. You can see that the buffer has been successfully added in this view. Further, you can generate buffer from line and polygon also. That's all for this video.